Here we go! Why are you on display? Oh, it's because the requirement and test is disabled because I factory reset it. Alright, well, we gotta fix that.
The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA radio public warning system.
It activated on the first header, but the test is disabled, so we're gonna go ahead and fix that.
Or other hazards. Tests are normally conducted each
God,
Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 and 8 p.m. If severe weather is expected on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next day, weather permitting. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning signals, can vary at
Oh my gosh, the lag!
This variability.
There we go. That's the issue.
From the transmitter.
No!
Even though you are using a
Bruh.
quality receiver in
Okay.
perfect working order.
Let's try this again.
Warning alarm tones are activated on transmitters for counties where the signal is reliably received, in sufficient strength for consistent and dependable service. For station KIH 26 in Daytona Beach.
There we go.
warning
Now we
alerts
should
will be
activate for the next
activated for
test.
Volusia, Flagler, Putnam, Lake, Seminole, Brevard, in Orange counties. For station KIH 63 in Orlando, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Lake, Orange, Osceola, Polk, Seminole, and Volusia counties. For station WXJ70 in Melbourne, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Indian River, Orange, and Osceola counties. For station WWF69 in Fort Pierce, warning alerts will be
69?
activated for Indian River, Martin, Okeechobee, and
Melbourne,
St.
you're
Lucie
funny.
counties. This has been a test of the NOAA radio public warning system. We now return to the regular broadcast program. Marine